Today, we're gonna be showing you the two sides of BombBomb.
BombBomb Essentials
and BombBomb Plus.
Justin, you know, I imagine, how important it is to build and maintain relationships in your business.
Boy, do I, Danny. But typically, most communication happens through plain text on a screen that doesn't really show your personality and makes it hard to create meaningful conversations in the moments that matter.
Justin, what if I were to tell you that there's a way that you can make all of your messages seem as personal and engaging as a face-to-face interaction, just like this?
I would do that.
Of course you would, and BombBomb Essentials helps you do exactly that by helping you record personal videos that you can put into emails, text messages, social media, and you can do this in Chrome, Outlook, Gmail, or your mobile device as well.
I'll tell you this, Danny, I like the sound of that. That would definitely improve my customers' experience and stand out from that competition.
Yes, it would, and it helps you close more business with less effort, which, if we all know you like.
Shut up. But Danny, how do I know if my videos get seen?
Great question, Justin. With BombBomb tracking, you'll know when they watch it, how long, and how they engaged in that message.
Yeah, but Danny, sometimes I work out of my laundry room, and that's not really ideal to send out a video.
I've noticed that, and I don't think it's ideal in any situation, Justin. That's why BombBomb has virtual backgrounds, so that you can replace that laundry room view with a $1 million beach view. And after you finish recording that perfect laundry room video, you can add an in-video call to action that your recipient can engage with.
That's cool and all, but I also have to share a lot of documents that are difficult and complex because my work is difficult and complex.
Oh, I know how hard you work, Justin. That's why with the BombBomb screen recorder, you can record just your screen or include your face in it as well. And once your video is completed, it's uploaded and ready to send in seconds.
I like it. But Danny, what if my documents are confidential and I don't want them being forwarded?
You can password protect your videos, and all videos are encrypted.
But what if you need to be more than just one-on-one and you need to reach your entire database?
I don't need to do that.
Sure about that?
I should.
Well, Danny, then you need BombBomb Plus. It has more robust video messaging tools for you to get face-to-face at scale. It allows you to send videos en masse to your entire contact list.
I don't want to get face-to-face at scale.
I'll help you. You see, BombBomb Plus gives you everything you get with BombBomb Essentials, as well as personal, in-depth insights so you know what is working and how to refine your process.
I love it, but I'm not sure that these features are a complete game changer quite yet.
How about automatically generated in-video captions to make your videos ADA compliant? Is that enough of a game changer for you, Danny?
I'm listening.
A transcript is also viewable alongside of your video, so your recipient will actually be able to read it if they are not able to watch it. Or if they have trouble hearing, or if they have different learning styles that are not suited to video. Transcriptions are also timestamped so your recipient can actually jump to a part of the video within the click of a button.
I gotta hand it to you, Justin. That BombBomb Plus does sound super plus.
It is, but if all you need to do is make your communication more engaging and more personal than a wall of text, then BombBomb Essentials is really all you need.
But if I want to try the BombBomb Plus features now...
Well, you're in luck, Danny, because BombBomb's free trial comes with all of the features that come with BombBomb Plus, so you can actually see if you need them.
If you're ready to go from a faceless block of text that gets ignored to a real person that gets seen, heard, and understood, try BombBomb Plus for free. 2 weeks, no credit card necessary.